सभी अतिथियों से निवेदन है यात्रा के दौरान अपना मास्क पहने रखिए और guests are requested to wear masks on the flight. Thank you.
प्रधानमंत्री कोविड-19 की महामारी को ध्यान में रखते हुए एयर इंडिया अपने यात्रियों की सुरक्षा को प्राथमिकता प्रदान कर दी है। भारत सरकार की सिविल एविएशन मंत्रालय के निर्देशानुसार स्वास्थ्य सुरक्षा घोषणा पर विशेष ध्यान देना आपकी कानूनी जिम्मेदारी है। ध्यान रखें, यात्रा के दौरान हर समय अपने मुंह और नाक को फेस मास्क से रखना अनिवार्य है। इस आवश्यकता का पालन न करने के परिणाम सख्त होंगे। आपको विमान से उतारा भी जा सकता है और उड़ान के दौरान अनरूली पैसेंजर माना जाएगा और उचित कार्रवाई की जाएगी। धन्यवाद। May we have your attention, please? Air India has highest priority towards safety of its guests, especially during the highly infectious COVID-19 pandemic. In this regard, your special attention is requested to the announcement which have binding obligations upon the guests as per the direction of Ministry of Civil Aviation, Government of India. You are required to wear a face mask covering your nose and mouth throughout the flight. Failure to comply with this requirement will result in stringent consequences which may include removal from the aircraft while on ground and categorize and treat as unruly passenger in flight. Thank you for your cooperation.
मैं आपका कैबिन सुपरवाइजर विशाल कुमार, स्टार अलायंस सदस्य एयर इंडिया की ओर से तिरुवनंतपुरम जा रही एयरबस 320 की उड़ान AI 667 पर आपका स्वागत करता हूं। इस देरी के कारण आपको हुई असुविधा के लिए हमें खेद है। कप्तान रुचित जानी कमांड में है। हम 1360 किलोमीटर की दूरी 1 घंटे और 50 मिनट में तय करेंगे। धन्यवाद। Dear guests, this is your cabin supervisor Vishal Kumar welcoming you aboard Star Alliance member Air India's Airbus 320 service AI 667 to Thiruvananthapuram. We sincerely apologize for this delay and regret any inconvenience it may have caused. Captain Richard Jani is in command. The flight today is 1 hour and 50 minutes and the distance is 1360 kilometers. Thank you.
कृपया सीट पॉकेट में रखे गए सुरक्षा संबंधी कार्ड में दी गई जानकारी को ध्यानपूर्वक पढ़ें। धन्यवाद। May we have attention, please? It is mandatory to observe the no smoking and fasten seatbelt sign when the written switched on. To fasten the seatbelt, push the metal link with the buckle, then pull the loose end of the strap to tighten it. To release the belt, lift, flap and pull out the metal link from the buckle. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. 2 doors in front, 2 doors at the rear, 4 windows above the wings. They are clearly identified by the exit sign. Please make a note of one closest to you. In an emergency, exit path lighting will illuminate and guide you to the nearest exit. Oxygen masks are placed in the unit of your seat. If cabin pressure for oxygen mask will drop automatically. Take your COVID mask and visors off. Pull the mask towards you, cover your nose and mouth, tighten the last band and breathe normally. After you have secured your own oxygen mask, please assist to children and others seated near you. Extra oxygen masks are provided for infants. Each seat has a life vest in the event of an evacuation of water. Only on receiving instruction from the crew, take your visors off, leave it on your seat. Remove the life vest from the pouch, hold it with both hands and slip it over your head. Pass the belt around your waist and fasten it securely as demonstrated. To inflate the vest, pull down sharply on the red toggles. You can also inflate by blowing into both red tubes at the top. For children, pull down only one toggle. Each vest has a light which is activated when the battery comes in contact with water. Life vests should be heated only when selected by the crew or just before leaving the aircraft. The economy class light is located under your seat. Please review the information in the safety briefing card which is in your seat pocket. विधान दें अब हम प्रस्थान के तैयार है। प्रपात और ई सीट का प्रयोग ना है। कृपया आर्मरेस्ट पर ना बैठे और उसमें भारी सामान ना रखें क्योंकि इससे सीट को नुकसान हो सकता है। अपने सभी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरण बंद कर दें या मोबाइल फोन फ्लाइट मोड पर रखें। सीट सीधी कर ले तथा टेबल या स्थान पर रख दें। खिड़की शटर खुले रखें। अब आप ध्यान से बैठे और यात्रा का आनंद लें। We have attention please as you are ready for departure. Smoking including e-cigarettes is not permitted. Please not sit or please keep baggage on your armrest as this could damage the seat. Please switch off all your electronic devices. Now ensure your mobile phones are in not transmitting mode. Habitation fees will be commencing with the refreshment service. Now passengers are requested to please make their seat back upright and open up your radios. Thank you.
May we have your attention, please? Welcome to Tiruvananthapuram Airport. The temperature outside is 30 degrees Celsius. Please remain seated until the come towards the exit and do not open the overhead vents until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Mobile phones may be switched on if you wish. Please dispose your personal protective equipment only in the yellow wire based disposable bin available at terminal building. Guests with pizza bookings are requested to remain seated. You will be assisted once all other guests have delayed on behalf of Air India, a member of Star Lines, Captain Ruchi Chani and the crew, we thank you for choosing Air India and look forward to welcoming you back again. Namaskar, Jai Hind.